Oh, there we go. Then this should just... Oh. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to get hard drives for your PC in the cheapest way possible. Now if you head over to Amazon, normally what you would do is you would say type in 8 TB 3.5 inch HDD, and if you look at these, as you can see, they're around like £200 for fairly decent ones. Now what you want to actually do is you want to go for the 8 TB portable hard drives. Now this is because, as you can see inside here, the price is a lot cheaper. So instead of £200, it's down to 139ish, and it's actually pretty much the same hard drive inside one of these. You just need to take it out. Now the one that I got from myself is actually this one here. At the moment it's £153, which is, you know, a good bit of money, but I actually got this for £115 on Black Friday. So if you look out for sales or whatever, usually these portable ones, they get reduced very low. So in the next section I'll show you how to take the hard drive out and use it basically as internal one. Now one thing to mention is I recommend you get WD portable hard drives, because the Seagate ones, they're known to put in like crappy hard drives in here, but for WD they actually use WD red hard drives, which is basically similar to this. I don't think it's exactly the same model, but it's for NAS, so like 24/7 operations, so it's very good ones. Alright, so this is the device here. Now it's the 8 terabyte version. It looks like this. The packaging is not bad. So let's pop this baby open. Alright, some cables and stuff here, power adapters. Put that there at the moment. Got some USB cable. Not bad. Some instructions here. So basically how to connect the charger, and then some warranty stuff, I presume. Oh geez, there's so much. Yeah, so I guess just plug it in and you're good to go, is what it says here. Alright, now the main device itself comes with these plasticky looking yokes to hold it in nicely. So I'll put this box away. Let's see here. Alright, so it's fairly compact little unit. Now there are some holes here, and you can already see the hard drive inside, so that's what we will be getting out. But before we do that, let's actually test to see if it works. Oh shit. Yeah, so this we don't need, it's for American boys. Alright, let's draw this away. Let me stick this bad boy in. Okay, don't hear anything. Is there a power button or something? Maybe it turns on when you connect the USB. Or maybe it's dead, you don't know. So yeah, just plug it right in. Oh yeah, there you go. You can hear it spinning up. It's fairly loud hard drive, but since it's gonna be in my NAS server where I won't be able to hear it, it should be grand. Alright, so now we're in our terminal here. So if we run fdisk l here with sudo, of course, let's see if it comes up. Oh yeah, there it is, the very last one. 7.28 terabytes, MyBook 2e, and at the moment it is using GPT, which is perfect. Oh, it is actually formatted as well. Not bad. We'll obviously have to get rid of that format later. No disks. Alright. So there it is, 8 terabyte. And let's benchmark the partition. We'll do 100 megabytes size, and then we'll do, say, 50 samples. See how that goes. Alright, so the benchmark is done there. It averages around 150 read and write, which is not too bad. And average access time is around 15 milliseconds, which is pretty good for a mechanical hard drive. Alright, so that looks all good. I'm actually going to delete the partition here because I'll be creating a VeraCrypt one, so that's grand. We can actually unplug it now. Alright, so just remove the USB cable here, which is, it's kind of tight. And then just wait for it to spin down. You can actually feel it spinning down. Okay, it should be fine now. And unplug it. So yeah, the hard drive is all good. Next step is to remove this enclosure. Now this will void your warranty, so you know. Now I presume there is going to be screws here. No, there actually isn't. Okay. How would you get in here then? I think it's just getting rid of the back grill. I'll get a screwdriver and then I'll give it a go there. Alright, got some tools that should come in handy. So let's try this now. Okay, that does give way. Not too sure where to actually go from here. Let's try prying that open. Okay, well, it looks like the enclosure won't survive today. Alright, so as you can see, there's the hard drive inside there. Now I can see it is, don't know if you can see that, there is a screw inside here. So this means I need to get this front face off somehow. I'll just finish taking this side off. Go. So what you actually had to do was break this open basically. So, oh Jesus. So you had to break the back panel off, then the front panel one, and then it just fell off. Fell down pretty much. So, alright, so there's a few those hex screws that we need to get rid of. Give them a good few turns, then pull away and see if it's good. Yeah, alright. Okay, so they actually just come off like that, nice and easy. So we could actually salvage most of the enclosure, since it's just here. This part really looks like it's built into the hard drive, but this is actually pretty cool. I think this part just slides out. We just need to remove this screw here. I'll take these off first. This can be repurposed on any hard drive as well, which is very handy. Very small piece. Then this should just... oh, fuck. Cut myself there. Yeah, so as you can see, that just connects to literally any hard drive, which is handy. Yeah, so you can see the model, oh Jesus, you can see the model number there. You can Google that, sure. It's meant to be WD red, according to the comments of the Amazon page. So I'll just plop this into my computer once again. Alright, so that should be all connected. Let's see if it's still there. So yeah, there it is. It took like a few seconds to show up, but that's grand. Now if you want to use VeraCrypt to encrypt your hard drive, I recommend it. So I'll show you how to set it up here. Create volume. Over here you want to select the second one. And then just do standard VeraCrypt version. Then select the volume, which will be this new one. And this is why I deleted the partition earlier on, because otherwise you would have to select the partition, which is annoying. This is just a better way. So yeah, double check. And next, now this comes up. Do you want to encrypt the entire partition? Just say yes. And then for this one, you can actually test you can benchmark which algorithm is the best. So we'll do buffer size of 10. Then we'll wait for this to finish. And then as you can see, the fastest algorithm is AES. So I'll just choose AES since I won't really be storing too much important data on this. So that's grand. Then what you want to do is set a password. Now the maximum password for this is 128. I recommend use a password manager to create your password. I'm just gonna use KeePass. All right. Then what you want to do is, if you're on Linux, choose the Linux ext4 one. You don't need to format since this is since it will get, the whole hard drive will get encrypted anyway. So then if you're using only Linux, like I'm using this in an NFS server, so which is running Debian, so this will be grand. Then here you just want to shake your mouse around the screen. It's actually easier if you make the window like massive. Then just shake it like really hard. Yeah, so until it reaches the end. So that'll be like for best encryption. Everything will be erased on this hard drive, but since the new hard drive, it's not too bad. And now this is gonna take for ages, since this is a 8 terabyte. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the hard drive in the description. So if you want it, you can buy it. It's pretty good. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.